There's a pretty good chance that if you're watching this video right now, you've most likely seen hypnosis done on a stage where people can end up barking like a dog, walking around like a chicken, or doing something that's even more out of the character than those ridiculous things that I've just mentioned.
You see, hypnotherapy was never originally intended as a means by which to entertain people. In fact, hypnotherapy's roots are fully grounded in many of the most relevant psychological frameworks that therapists and medical professions from all around the world build and base their practices on today.
You see, hypnotherapy is fundamentally about leading people into a profound state of inner peace, through which we can use a range of strategic language patterns and some very clever communication techniques to positively influence other people towards making profound and permanent changes in virtually any area of their lives.
Now, just to clear up a few common misconceptions, hypnotherapy stems from a range of psychological frameworks that we, or potentially you as hypnotherapists, can use to effectively lead people in and out of hypnotic and trance-like states.
Now myself, Kane Ramsey, and my partner in crime here, Stephen Burns, have been practicing hypnosis alongside neuro-linguistic programming, therapeutic counselling and even life coaching for over 20 years between us.
So throughout this course, it's our intention to share with you all of the most profound and life-changing practices that we've come across throughout the years that help people to overcome their greatest challenges and in turn make tangible progress throughout the most important areas of their lives.
We've designed this course as a complete and holistic training resource that's going to lead you on a journey from understanding the absolute basics right through to some of the most modern and advanced techniques that haven't even made it into the hypnotherapy textbooks yet.
We intend on taking what we hope you're going to find to be a very balanced approach to teaching this subject. We're not just going to bombard you with a load of information that you could have read somewhere else in a book, but we are going to share with you our own experiences, our own successes, and even our greatest failures, so that you don't just grasp the information that we're sharing with you, but that you also understand it, in view of getting yourself out there and practicing it on other people.
So just before you decide whether this is the kind of course that you'd like to invest into or not, we'd just like to mention that this course has kind of become a bit of a lifetime project for us, because moving forward we're both fully committed to adding new videos, new MP3s and other workbooks into the course, so that eventually it becomes recognised as one of the most comprehensive and cost-effective hypnotherapy certification training courses that's available online today. And I think that we're actually just about there. So if by now you are officially intrigued by this fascinating subject of hypnosis and trance, then click that button and join us today in what we both know that you're going to find to be a highly thought-provoking, an eye-opening and a hugely fascinating journey. So my name's Kane, this is Steve, and we're going to look forward to hopefully seeing you on the inside of the course.